Good morning guys, welcome to my channel, Man and Motors. Today I got a BMW 1 Series. I'm going to do front brake pads and anti-roll links change, and I'll show you how it's done. So I'm going to do the links first. Here's the anti-roll link. Change that while here. I'll change the brake pads and see nothing really left in it. Very little. See that? That's why pad lights on dash. They change that as well. So if I'm do that 16mm bolt there and a 16mm bolt there, and it should just come off. So I'm taking it off. There you go. Sometimes when these are very tight, the whole thing turns, these threads. So we do 27mm Torx. Just slide in there and just hold the thread and undo the bolt with a ratchet 16. So just put in there, put the socket in there and just hold it, and it will just come off. Here's the old one. This was knocking because it's so flimsy, so I'm going to change that. So here's the new one. Obviously they're going to look slightly different because the original BMW one, this is like an aftermarket one, but it does the same job anyway. So make sure they are sided, so make sure they match up. There you go. So we'll put the new one in now. Link is all done, new one in. Now we're going to change the brake pads. This is going to be the near side front brake pads change, and the sensor as well. I'm going to take off this clip. There you go. That's then got that. It's going to be around 7mm Allen key inside. There's two dust caps. Take off. Put it on the side. So it's not a 7, sorry, it's an 8mm Allen key. So you're going to undo it. You just push the piston a bit back, so it's just a bit free. We'll take it off now. There you go, it's off. There's hardly nothing left, luckily. See how slim that is? Literally, so there's nothing left. The disc is okay, it's not as much as lipped. And that's it, we're going to take the sensor off. So you go, just put there, pull there, pull there, and this should be in this little box. Just unplug that. There we go. And put that off there. There we go. Sensor, just give it a little pick. Let me pick that out. So I've pushed the pistons in with my pliers. So just going to give it a good clean, and new pads ready to go back on. Here's the new pads. You can see nothing left in that. Needs a lot of meat. Here's a new one. That's the difference. So just tighten the two bolts, greased up, and just put the clip back on, put the sensor back on, and that's it. That's it. The sensor's all in, new pads fitted, and that's it. So the pad's done, and link's done on this side. Now we're going to put the wheel back on. So we fitted the pads, and we're just going to reset it. Just hold it down. There you go, reset pads. Perform reset. Reset in progress. There you go, 28,000. Alright, that's that done. And that's it really, everything's all done. That's everything done. Just going through everything so far. It's done. So basically that's all the services all done. I'm just going to plug the computer in and make sure there's no other faults. And that's it really. And that's it now, this car's all done. Brake pads and front anti-roll bar links. And took it for a road test and no knocking noise. And it drives smoothly now. And obviously I showed you how to reset the pad light on the dash. That's done, and that's it really. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, hit the like button, share it, and hopefully that helped you if you want to do it yourself, or if you want to attempt it. That's up to you. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.